Welcome to Options Robot, home of smart automation for active traders. We have to do a quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. We are not financial advisors. This uses 15-minute delayed data, and the results are not typical as this stock was chosen for a movement to show platform features. So please do your own research. All right, let's jump into a trade for SMCI. We know this is going to go up. So let's just take advantage of the delayed data that we're using right now just to test this. So we're going to say anything above 962. We're currently trading 964. So let's do a little bit higher. So let's say 965. So let's just do this. We'll do an entry bot, SMCI, and we're going to buy if the stock goes greater than 965. Currently trading right in here. So we're going to add an option at the money. Let's just buy 10 of these. And they're trading. Wow, they're really expensive, but let's create it anyway. Paper trading account, so it doesn't matter. So spread still pretty wide on those. So let's hit pause and see if we can get into the trade. Okay, so it looks like we triggered right in here. It just went through, so we should be getting filled. And there's your report. We bought these options in here. We now have 10 of these contracts. They cost us $36,000, right? So we'll have to see how this starts to play out. I can add stocks pulled back here a little bit. We got those 965s. Let's see if we can add a little bit more. So we bought those for 37. Let's buy some more of those. So let's do an add, increase this to another 10. No, I want to increase this to 20. And we're going to buy those right now at market because it's, again, stock price is down. So it's trading around 960. We just bought another 10 for 35.30. So hit confirm. We're going to do a configuration where we use the stock value and we're going to roll these options up. If it gets greater than up 975, we're going to roll all of our options up. So quantity, expiration, we'll roll them up to the at the monies. And specific strike, let's do we can't do that. So let's go up to the 980s and let's see. So we're looking at mid-market on this is about, let's see, 38. We're going to have to be able to sell these 36. So that'd be roughly $4 of a credit to us. Let's try to make it $5 of a credit. So $5 credit and see if we can get that, even though that's a hell of a run. So up $15 in the option. What's that going to be? $15, $7.50. Should be able to get a little bit more than that, but let's see if we can get that $5 credit to go to the 980s. All right. And then if it does get, let's take a quick pause, see if this thing keeps running here and we can get back up through the 975 level. We're going to come back in here. This just triggered. This looks like it's getting the market starting to get a little bit run. So we just got out of the SMCI. We rolled for $7,000, got a nice little profit out of that one. We are now in 20 of these 980s. This is making a hell of a run now. So now we're saying above 987. Let's change that in terms of the movement. So 987, this is here. We already did that. So let's cancel this, confirm. And we want to do, we're in these 980s now. So let's roll those up if we break 990 stock value. Let's create and do 990. Let's roll up. Select asset, that one. We're going to roll this up. And let's go to the 990s. Roll all 20. And we're going to roll up to the specific strike. Let's go up to the 990s. And we're going to roll up for another credit. Let's do another $5 and see if we can get that. Create. You can see we're starting to climb up towards our 990. So once we get up there, we'll have to watch to see if this thing can trigger. So we'll be back in 1 sec. Got a good roll in. able to lock in, let's see, orders. We'll go over here real quick. Locked in 530 on that spread. It's a $10 vertical, so we're able to get 530 on that one at the time. So this one we got a really good fill. This one did okay compared to where we put it out. So now we're going to look as the stock runs up to 1,000. We're going to try to get out of our 990s. For those, we jumped into the 990s here. It looks like $41 on that one. So 990s, if it gets up over there, probably expect another $5 of profit, and we'll work our way out. Just hopefully we can get out as an exit. So here you can see we're approaching, got up to 995, just hit 997, see if we can hit this 1,000 marker. Making a bit of a run here. So once it hits 1,000, we're going to look to exit this thing. It'll go out as a market order. You can see right in here. And we'll probably get out, let's see, so it's 45 bid. We got in for 41, right, our cost basis. So we'll get out of this thing for roughly $4 or $5. So here we go. Bingo. So let's see where we exit. Should be getting out at market. So 46.40 should be somewhere around our price. And we exit at 46.40. So that locked in somewhere around that. We'll see if the total prices come in with an update. And again, from a cost basis perspective, we did 20 of these. So it was pretty expensive, but we got, let's say our max cost was about 82,000. So we got roughly, let's call it a little over 50% in terms of the position. So not too bad.